Right now our country is being invaded by the Republic of Guatemala. Please remain calm. If you reside in the districts of San Ignacio, Dangriga, Big Creek, Punta Gorda or Victoria Creek, please evacuate immediately. Our army is significantly inferior to that of Guatemala, but it does not mean that we will not defend what belongs to us. Evacuate through the highways or forests of Corozal and Orange Walk. On our borders with Mexico, there will be members of the Mexican Navy receiving refugees from our country. If you are unable to evacuate the aforementioned districts, remain calm, take shelter at home or somewhere safe, and do not attempt to confront the invading troops. Take your radio to listen to any future news, close doors and windows, and keep your family safe.
Emergencia nacional, emergencia nacional, esto no es un simulacro, esto no es un simulacro, evacúe inmediatamente. Emergencia nacional, emergencia nacional, esto no es un simulacro, esto no es un simulacro, evacúe inmediatamente. Emergencia nacional, esto no es un simulacro, esto no es un simulacro, evacúe inmediatamente. Emergencia nacional, esto no es un simulacro, esto no es un simulacro, evacúe inmediatamente. Emergencia nacional, esto no es un simulacro, esto no es un simulacro, evacúe inmediatamente. Emergencia nacional, esto no es un simulacro, esto no es un simulacro, evacúe inmediatamente. Emergencia nacional, esto no es un simulacro, esto no es un simulacro, evacúe inmediatamente. Emergencia nacional, esto no es un simulacro, esto no es un simulacro, evacúe inmediatamente. Emergencia
Immediate evacuation is requested. An invasion by the Bolivian Republic of Venezuela is in progress. All residents of the following regions should evacuate immediately: Barima Waini, Pomarun Supinam, Essequibo Islands, and Cuyuni Mazaruni. If you cannot evacuate, remain calm. Take refuge in your home and do not go out and do not open the door to anyone. Close doors and windows, turn off the lights and protect your family. Pick up a radio and batteries for it. If you are abroad and cannot find shelter, do not try to face the invading troops. Our army is doing everything possible to stop the enemy advance, also diplomatically.